let's unbox a pair of Magico M7 loudspeakers. First, start with removing the top of the crate and remove the pole and the ramp that are inside. Next, reattach the top of the crate and use the pole to help stand the speaker upright. Once you have it upright, you can remove the clips once again and take off the front of the crate. Now you can go ahead and unscrew the rest of the crate, and you can go ahead and remove the zip ties that are holding the wheel locks in place. Once you've removed the wheel locks, you can go ahead and remove the wooden wedges that are underneath the speaker as well. Now, using the ramp that you took out at the beginning, slowly lower the speaker to the floor, and you can now wheel it into its listening position. Once you've got the speaker in its listening position, you can carefully remove the speaker sock and any plastic protective film on the speaker. The Magico M7 is a passive 4-way 6-driver floor-standing loudspeaker. It features the latest Magico drive unit technology, as well as an organically shaped carbon fiber and aluminum enclosure with the latest iteration of Magico's elliptical symmetry crossover. Now repeat the process for the second speaker up until you have them both in their listening position. Now it's time to go ahead and open the accessory box and remove the M pods, as well as the tools you will need to install them on the speakers. Have a friend assist you in tilting the speakers while you remove the casters and add the M pods. It's time now to connect your speaker wire to the binding posts in the back of the speakers. Now it's time to enjoy your brand new Magico M7s. Give us a call at Overture AV in Wilmington, Delaware to set up a demonstration of these magnificent speakers.